The Brick product family represents excellence in LED voice technology for outdoor installations, offering powerful and versatile solutions designed to meet the most diverse professional needs, thanks to advanced LED technology and cutting-edge control options. The range includes the Brick 12, Brick 24 and Brick 32 models, recognizable for their high construction quality, flexibility in projection angles and exceptional resistance to atmospheric agents. The Brick 12 and Brick 24 have 12 and 24 LEDs respectively, with power consumption of 200 and 400 watts. The Brick 32, on the other hand, stands out for its 32 controllable LEDs in 4 independent sectors, which allow surprising dynamic effects, with a power consumption of 650 watts. Thanks to the support of the DMX512 standard and the implementation of the RDM protocol, Brick projectors easily integrate into existing lighting systems, offering maximum compatibility and flexibility. Designed to excel in both architectural and scenographic applications, Brick projectors create spectacular effects in artistic contexts, exhibition spaces, trade fair events, theaters, concerts and live shows. The possibility of color customization makes them perfect for meeting the needs of lighting designer and technicians in the sector. The high energy efficiency and low heat generation not only reduce operating costs, but increase the safety and durability of the products, consolidating their reliability over time. With the Brick series, DTS offers an LED voice solution capable of guaranteeing surprising effects in every scenario and application, combining quality and innovation.